Let's learn what is breadboard. A breadboard is a simple electronic prototyping tool used to build circuits without soldering. It allows us to connect components like resistors, LEDs, sensors, and microcontrollers easily. The best part, you can reuse as many times as you want. Now let us understand some important terms used for breadboard's nomenclature. Rows: horizontal lines in the terminal strips where components are inserted. Columns: vertical lines mainly in the power rails. Trench or divider: the central gap that separates the two halls of the breadboard. Nodes: a group of holes internally connected to each other. Tie points: each individual holes in the breadboard where you placed components leads. Let us take a closer look at the structure of standard breadboard. A breadboard is divided into two main sections. Terminal strips, that is middle area. This is where most of the components are placed. Each rows has a 5 interconnected holes. These rows are separated into two halves by the central grooves or gap known as the trench. Power rails, side strips. These are the long vertical column on both the sides. They are usually marked with the red plus sign, blue or black minus sign. These rails are used to supply power across the breadboard. Common breadboard sizes are available in the market. The full size around 830 tie points, half size around 400 tie points, mini breadboard around 170 tie points. About breadboards, the breadboards are essential tools for students, beginners, and experienced designers for quick circuit analysis and project experimentation. While using breadboard, do's and don'ts. Before we wrap up, here are some quick points. Always double check the internal connections before wiring. Use color-coded wires for clarity. Red for positive, black for negative. Keep wires short to avoid a messy setup. Avoid over-inserting components as it may loosen the contacts.